Okay, I want to have a quick look at the headphone socket on this one. This is the panel. It's a bit manky at the moment, but basically the headphone socket is open circuit. So I'm just going to check around the terminals of my multimeter here. Just have a look to see what we got. On the continuity test to start with. Nothing there. These two here, this one and this one, are normally closed. Then you pop the headphone jack in. I've got a headphone jack there. You pop that in, and that opens the circuit and switches the onboard speaker out. In theory, but this one, as we know, is shot. So I'm just going to see if I can prove that with the multimeter really. Then we need to look and see what we can do to sort it out. So, one continuity test. So at the moment, those two pins should be a short circuit, which they're absolutely not. Nothing at all. Just pop the lead in. Nope. So that is definitely had it. I'm not sure whether it's just dirty. You've got to be so careful with these, because I mean, I think what you find is there's like a little rubber O-ring in there, and then basically we've got the faceplate. Well, unfortunately, you just do not want to damage that faceplate. It will not budge. Normally you can ease these spring captive washer things off, but it's moving, as you can see, but okay, I decided to take this off. As I say, the bezel's already scratched, so basically I've prized it off with a couple screwdrivers just to ease the little tabs up. So you've got the lock washer there, a rather ropey O-ring. Out comes the offending item. Okay, bent the tab up there. I think that's all that's holding it in, so I'm just going to give it a little tap, see if I can yes, there we go. Yes, you beauty. That's how you get that apart then. So here we have our dodgy headphone socket. So let's see if I can get you in a little bit closer. So it's in two halves. Ooh. Oh yeah. Huh. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but that connection there is absolutely corroded to pieces. Look. See it in there. Hopefully you can anyway. So I'm going to need to pop that out and give that a good clean up. I'm surprised that didn't come up with a switch cleaner, you know. So I'm going to take a picture of that first. So I've not took one of these apart before, so a big learning curve. Okay, I pulled the switch apart, and as you can see this bit here is pretty badly corroded. A lot of green verdigris on it. I think that the spring is actually bent back a little bit, so I'm going to give it a go over with some fine sandpaper to start with. So I'm going to give that a go over the emery paper as well. Be good if this does fix this. Should do, because at the end of the day it's only a mechanical thing, so I'm better at mechanical things than electronic, I'm sure. Right, fiberglass pencil. Job done. This one as well is looking pretty ropey. So this is the first time I've taken one of these apart, so bear with me because I know not what I'm doing. It's looking a lot better anyway. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing and which hand. There we go. Just sort of rebuilding that. I'm going to just bend this one out a little bit. So let's pop the cover back on there. Actually, let's give it a good squirt with some switch cleaner first. Okay, there we are, pretty much back together. Oh wow. So let's have a look, see if we now have continuity. I hope we have. So there should be continuity between that one there we go. So pushing a socket in. Should break that contact. Yes. Ho ho ho. Excellent. Job done. Bang on. Don't ask me what size that is, it's just one of the ones that I've got that fits. So, that's all sorted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that in the vise now, tap this back in, pop another O-ring on, and stick it back in there.